Welcome everybody in I wanted to say welcome everybody in Adobe Premiere, but welcome everybody. My name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how you can zoom in your timeline and how zooming works in Adobe Premiere 2019. So let's go. There are actually two ways how we can zoom into your timeline. The first option is using this iron on the line here. It's really simple. I'm clicking here on the video and I'm going to grab this circle right here and I'm just going to paste to make it closer. To zoom out again, I take it like this. So again, zooming in, zooming out. But this is really, it will take you so much seconds from working and also minutes to do it all the time. So what you can do is to hold Alt Control and then scroll, and it will scroll in or scroll out where is your mouse. So when it's here, see, it's going to zoom here. When it's here, it's going to zoom here. And also when it's right on the blue line, it will zoom right on the blue line. So again, you can do it like this, or holding Alt Control, pointing where I want to zoom, and then use a scroll wheel. So this is the two ways how we can do it. Hope I helped you. If I did, you can support me and subscribe. I'll really thank for that. So again, thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see ya.